Hello guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will trade gold versus US dollar because we have got a very good buying opportunity in this pair that we won't let go. We can generate very good profit from this opportunity. I'm applying the trade according to my risk. I have calculated this lot size beforehand. See you guys later. Guys, we have $5,700 in our account which we need to grow further. All our trades are well placed, which will be easy to manage. We know our loss amount. This will make it easier for us to keep our psychology strong. Now we will understand through technical analysis which trend the market is following here. The market is going up for the last 5 days, due to which a perfect uptrend pattern has been drawn here. Let us create an uptrend channel for this. This trend line will connect at higher low points. This trend line is acting as support. Whenever the market comes near this trend line, we see an upward move. We will draw this trend line perfectly. We will take another trend line and connect it at higher high points. This trend line is acting as a resistance. Right now the market is following both these trend lines where the market is moving upwards while creating proper higher high higher low points, due to which we have got a very good buying opportunity here. Our entry here has happened at the right time. Now we will draw strong support resistance level which will tell us from which level the market is reversing. The market has reversed repeatedly at this level, due to which the market has created multiple support resistance points at this level. Here the market first created a resistance became support pattern and later created a support became resistance pattern. But now the resistance became support pattern has been created again, which is an uptrend pattern. Currently the market is trendline and near a strong reversal level. From here we can see a good move upwards here. All our levels are drawn perfectly. Now we place stop loss and target point. Always use stop loss and target point in every trade. This can help you avoid big losses. My stop loss will be below the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel, which is 80 pip. If the market gives a trend line breakout here, then we will plan for a sell trade, and the target point will be 160 pip above where the market had gone earlier but reversed back towards the downside due to trendline resistance. Our risk to reward ratio here is 1:2. Guys, we are currently running a little loss. We will soon be in profit because the market is preparing to go up. I will quickly apply stop loss and target point. Guys, you can clearly see our exit levels. We will not close the trade in between unless one of these two is hit. This is the strongest rule among all our rules. In trading you always have to follow the rules. Wherever you break the rules, that is where you start incurring big losses. You must have seen this in your trading journey. The market will give you good opportunities every day, but you have to stay in the market with patience. Only then can you improve your trading. Similarly, by following small trading rules you can earn good profit in the Forex market. See you guys after some time. Till then you can like the video.
Out of me, you better watch out if you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets crossed real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, freedom from the sword.
Nice move, guys. The market moved as we expected. This was our high probability setup which the market followed. All our levels were drawn perfectly. The market moved here forming very good patterns, which gave us good profits for this type of setup. We have to give time to the market so that the market will create the setup on its own. Our target point was at this level, which was hit just a while ago. The market has slowly moved upwards here and has hit our target. Now I will draw a strong level of the market and tell you from where the market will move up or down. For this I'm using the rectangle tool, which is my favorite tool for drawing levels. The market has been following this level for a long time, due to which the market has reversed at this level before. This is the next strong reversal level of the market, where the market will create multiple support resistance points. Now two conditions are being created here, in which in the first condition the market can break this level and go up. If this does not happen, then the market will again face resistance at this level and will reverse downwards. Anything can happen here. We have to wait with patience in this place. If the market breaks the strong level, then buying opportunity will be created here. If the market breaks out trend line, then a selling opportunity will be created. Now we close the trade. Guys, right now we are making a profit of more than $10,000. We had deposited $5,700 in this account, which we have grown to $16,000. In this way you can also grow your account with proper trading setup. Always follow the same strategy which is profitable. This will make your trading journey easier. If you have learned something from this video, then do like it, also subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.
like this.